Today, we're going to take the image we made last time and turn it into a product that we can sell. There are several online marketplaces where individuals can sell their products. Etsy and Shopify are two of the largest. We'll use Etsy in our example. There are several online tutorials on how to start an Etsy, Shopify, Printify, and Printful accounts, so we won't go into that aspect. Instead, we'll focus on using an on-demand printing service to select a product and design it for production and display. Printful and Printify are two of the most popular ones. I use Printful, and so we'll be using it in this video. After opening your dashboard on Printful, select the Product Catalog. Open the Home and Living menu and scroll down to Mugs. We're looking for a travel mug with a handle that we can apply our artwork to. We'll start by creating a product template. On the template page, we simply drag and drop our image. We can check to see if the image is of high enough resolution to render a good print on the travel mug. In this case, the image is of marginal quality and should be improved. We'll take the image into Photoshop to change the size to at least 300 dpi. For a more precise setting, we can use the graphic dimensions of 2.92 inches by 3.8 inches, which are listed below the print quality assessment. We'll drag and drop the adjusted image back into the template. This time, the print quality is lit up in green and reports it as good. We'll click on Continue, and on the next page, we'll be able to name the product template. The product will now be listed on our product page. If your store is tied into Printful, and it should be to make your workflow easier, you can click on the button to add the product to your store inventory. Next, we'll generate some mock-ups to display on the product page of our online store or to use in advertising. We can select the mock-up image we like for our main display photo. On the next page, we can type in the product title that will be used in the store. Next, we need an effective sales pitch in the product description. This is where most people fail in the sales process. The description should be engaging and generate excitement and desire for buying the product. All good sales ads appeal to the shopper's emotions. We'll use ChatGPT to generate a compelling description of the product and a call to action. And we'll give it the product description. This is where ChatGPT really shines. It is excellent at writing sales copy. We can generate as many versions as we need until we arrive at a satisfactory description that sounds exciting at promoting our product. And of course, we can always edit the results to get a better fit for the product and our own sales philosophy. Sometimes it is helpful to include a limit on the number of words to be used in the prompt. Now we can copy and paste the description onto the Printful page. I won't try to read all the text in the ChatGPT page. You can pause the video and read it for yourself to get an idea of the quality of ad copy that ChatGPT can generate. Next is product pricing, and this is the hardest decision for many people. It's easy to overprice a product and not be competitive in the market, and at the same time, it's important to charge enough to cover production costs and shipping costs. Printful allows you to set the revenue option at a percentage or at a fixed dollar amount. I prefer to set it as a dollar amount. Remember that the Printful price listed on the left does not include shipping. After completing the pricing, we'll submit the information to the store. We can download more mockups by going into the three-dot options and selecting Download Mockups. Here we'll be given a lot more optional mockups to choose from. When you get ready to download the images, select the JPEG option. This will download faster, and it is plenty good enough for the product page. First generate and then download the images. Another option is to use the Custom Mockups page. This page has stock backgrounds that you can use when you generate product images. The backgrounds tend to be rather bland and generic looking. A more effective method is to use Photoshop or another art program to compose your own unique backgrounds and composite the product images into them. Most photo apps have simple-to-use options for this, especially now that AI is being incorporated into them. If you want to replace the image or change its position on the mug, you can go back into the template by selecting the Edit Product Template option in the menu. This will allow you to make modifications to the template. You can also edit the images used in your store using the downloaded mockups to achieve the look that you want. It's a good idea to place the original artwork as one of the photos so that buyers can get a good idea of what the image looks like. One other detail that you need to change is the information about the physical item you are selling. Be sure to check the another company or person helped to make the product under the Who Made It section. Then scroll down and click on the production partner that did the print on demand for you. If you want the item listed as a featured item at the top of your store's page, toggle that option on. Likewise, if you are advertising with Etsy's in-house advertising, then toggle that option on. Now, you're ready to publish the listing and start selling. I would encourage you to browse the print-on-demand products that are available and can be used to sell your AI-generated images. Clothing is always a big seller, especially t-shirts. Join us every week for a captivating journey through the ever-evolving landscape of AI, where subscribing guarantees an endless supply of transformative insights.